if you're looking to really ramp up and hire quite aggressively on the engineering side, I couldn't recommend it more, really. I'm Carly. I am a talent acquisition manager here at Codat, and I focus almost exclusively now on engineering hiring. Codat is the universal API for small business data. We're focused around through providing real-time connectivity, building integrated products that can be used by SMBs. I would say the majority of our engineering hires are either sourced by myself or a member of the team using LinkedIn Recruiter or come through Cord actually. We've had a real lot of success from Cord as a platform, particularly on the engineering side. We've made minimum 30 hires from using the platform. One of the biggest bugbears for any recruiters, they'll tell you, is the admin side of things, but also for a candidate as well. You know, we want to reduce as many blockers as we can to get someone moving in the process and connected to speaking to one of our engineers as quickly as possible. Once a candidate has accepted a message from you and you know they're hooked, they're engaged, you can access their CV straight away. Also having the job description, salary banding and everything like that already as part of the job title for when you're reaching out to someone, all of that information is already there. All of that has been hugely useful and I think impactful in terms of just how slick and how streamlined we're able to make our interview process. The streams are super easy to build. For Codat, we've had a lot of recurring roles, so being able to build up a stream that we can just keep going back to and refreshing and keep accessing the very best talent as people join Cord is super useful and massive time saver, I would say, for us. Having a tool like Cord for our internal team has really reduced the need for agency usage. It's also made all of us feel really empowered to work really closely with stakeholders to be able to quickly make a hire. The candidates that we've hired from Cord have been phenomenal. Interestingly, a real mix of experience as well, which is really positive. I think the most junior person that I've hired from Cord has been a front-end engineer with around a year's worth of experience in React with TypeScript, right through to senior QAs. So it really does cover, I would say, the full spectrum in terms of experience and really high quality people at both ends.